Hi everyone, we have carried out another test of the AVEL built-in waterproof TV at high temperatures. This time we turned to a specialized laboratory and carried out heating according to a certain logarithm to determine the maximum temperature of the TV and the temperature at which its performance is impaired. The testing was carried out in 3 stages, with a gradual increase of the temperature in the oven where the TV was running. As long as the TV was in the oven, the laboratory staff watched this work. Stage 1. The oven heats up to a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius, and at this temperature the TV works for 30 minutes. Stage 2. The oven is heated to 80 degrees Celsius and remains in the oven for another 30 minutes. Stage 3. The oven is heated to a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. After 5 minutes of operation at temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, a dark spot appears on the matrix and the test is stopped, as there is a problem with the TV. After the past test, our company received the corresponding certificate. We can say with confidence that we heated to 60 degrees, the TV can work for a very long time. It can be placed in steams baths of Turkish, Russian and Finnish baths when using their gentle temperatures in the range of 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. The tests carried out simulate the operating conditions of the equipment, which are more severe than in real installation and wall mounting, since the TV case was heated in the oven from all sides at the same time. However, we recommend cooling the back of the TV when it's used in a steam room in order to increase its life. The best solution that will be provided a ventilation duct going through the niche of the TV into the wall. Passing air will cool the back of the TV and the entire cabinet, so the TV in the steam room will definitely serve you many years. I hope that this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.